Oh yeah, got a shape here. Got some metal going in there. We're gonna pour it, and this will be the new hilt. I mean, I like this idea, and I worked hard, and I was getting after it with sanding it down, and I decided that it just didn't quite meet my expectations. So we're gonna change it up a little bit. As you can see, I'm wearing an apron because I may or may not have already tried to pour this once, learned from it. Now I'm wearing an apron. Anyway, so we're gonna let this melt. We're gonna pour this again and see if we get a new hilt piece for this officer saber. Stay tuned.